Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Dr. Saima Mushtaq and our today's lecture topic is malignant disease of the uterus. We divided our lecture into 5 sections. In the first section of our lecture topic, we will talk about the uterine and the endometrial cancer. And in this section, we will go over the epidemiology of uterine cancer, different types of endometrial cancer, and what are the risk factors leading to endometrial cancer and how we can prevent it. In the second section, we will talk about how we diagnose the endometrial cancer and what are different stages of the endometrial cancer and what are the stages of endometrial hyperplasia. In the third section, we will talk about management of endometrial cancer. And in this, we will also talk about the grading of the endometrial cancer. Then in the fourth section, we will talk about the treatment of endometrial cancer, what are the different options of the treatment available for endometrial cancer, and how we do the follow-up for the recurrence of the endometrial cancer. And in the final section, we will talk about uterine sarcoma. What is uterine sarcoma? What are different types of the sarcoma? And how we treat uterine sarcoma. So this is all we will talk about in this lecture, which is the malignant disease of the uterus. And hopefully you are interested to learn more about this topic. So keep watching sqadia.com.